What's up, everyone? Nightmare here. Today we're going to be picking the iNAHO Tierkey. Let's see if we can get this guy open. There we go. Oh my gosh. There's so many overset traps in this log. I've had like probably 2 hours worth of recording. So it's hilarious that we got it open that fast. So on the key, you can see these craters, one at the front and 3 at the back. And in between these craters is these max lifts. So if I nudge the max lifts at all, even though they're not directly opposing, and I overset any of these, then it's game over. The key pins are basically have like a spool built in. So I'll show that off. You can see it is open. A little Sharpie mark there. Very, very tricky pick. Oops, we might have just lined up the... Oh, we did. No. Okay, well. Oops. Let's get this guy opened. Yeah, we just dumped key pins out. Oopsies. Or I should say drivers out. Let's see how bad of a brick this is. Hopefully not that bad. Should just be this one side though. Haven't done that before. Let's see if we can just dump out a stack at a time. Man, this was gonna be such an easy get. I want to say I have a picture somewhere. So I should be able to put it back together. Not too much of an issue. That's annoying. Oh, we kill the spring. Trying to find out where the heck this last driver is. Be in there somewhere. Okay, we're now officially locked back up, so here's the key pins. Can't believe I did that. Too excited for the open. Oh, it's right here. Okay, at least we have all the parts. Okay, so that was the right side. Let's do the left side. This is the one side that I haven't taken off. Okay. Actually do a nice gut on this half at least. Yeah, that's so funny though, because I've literally been trying to open this all day this past weekend. No avail. Tried to get I got the West 916 yesterday. Was another one that I was working on that I just could not get. And then, of course, our fastest time we get this one, we bork the gut. There we go. Yeah, I think the more that I pick HPC, the less I am a fan of HPC. I see why people just don't gut high pin count locks. I put my West 916 back together yesterday, messed up the drivers, and now I can't get the key out. I mean, I just have to take it apart and put it back together with balanced stacks. But unless you have a kick like this, it's not fun to take these apart. This should have been an easy gut, but I just accidentally rotated it too far. That open bottom of the keyway. C-clip remover out. just flew off. Alright, we'll find that later. I think there's just 2 ball bearings in here. Maybe just 1. There we go. Nothing crazy going on with the core. You can see that the pins are not directly opposing. 7 on one side, 6 on the other. Looks like a pin here as well. Nothing going on with the body. And that is the iNAHO Tierkey picked and gutted with only a minor gutting mishap. Thanks for watching these last 2 painful gutting videos, and I will see you guys in the next one.